Okay, we are in the back of our property, and Josh is going to show us some of the damage back here.
Breaking news! There has been a horrible storm going through Raleigh and C. It also went through Wake Forest. It also went through this our property.
Oh, we have to figure out how to get these trees out of here. It's a playground. Oh, we just have the best property in the world. I mean, who gets to... Oh no, another one. Oh, and this one isn't even an ice storm either. Okay, there's the third one. There's a fourth one over there. Oh, well, I guess that clears up the problem of having to clear some more. Are you okay?
You got that on tape, right?
Yeah, I did. You got that on tape. Okay. Okay, here's the... Oh, wow. There's holes everywhere. There's another one.
Hey, I can like go up.
Oh, is this number 4 or number 5? Oh, I think this was number 4.
Oh, no, okay. I haven't broke my leg yet.
One of these days we are going to get a twisted ankle.
Yeah, I'm going to be the first one.
Here is another one. We are going to have quite a job to do. We need more manpower. Oh, I am speechless. That's almost as tall as Andrea. Yeah, Joshua, be careful. Okay, let's keep going and see how many more trees. Here's another one. I think we're up to 6, aren't we? Oh. Or more. I think we're up to 6. We might not have a forest left by the time the weather gets done with us. This is more of like the limbs all over the place. Yeah. Limbs. Got quite a cleanup job to do. This is what they don't tell you when you buy a forest. They didn't put it in fine print that you would have to worry about. That you would have to... This is what they don't tell you. But we're cool with it. Now we are taking Mom and Dad to the back to see the damage. Okay, now we're getting to the real stuff. Oh yeah, shingles. Okay, this is where the worst of it is. There's one over there. Yeah, it's shingles, Joshua. Here we go. This is the pop of them all.
There's sap coming out of it. Because it's bleeding. But bleeding is sap. This is a nice home for a web. For a barn. It flew like an acre.
That's not ours.
Are you sure it looks like ours?
I mean, there's lots of people that have the same